Hello, my name's Amanda Arthur Struss. I am the property manager for Tallgrass's production of God of Carnage. I'm here to talk about one particular prop I've had to make for this. And if you have seen God of Carnage, you can pretty much guess which one it is. If you have not seen God of Carnage, put me on hold and go to the show and then come back. You've seen the show. We are talking about one of the bigger incidents in the show where someone on stage gets sick. So how do you do that? This is where the prop that they asked me to create, which was pretty much called a vomit pillow, and it's my own design, and it's very simple if you make it. In that it has very simple design to it, but it's a magic trick. And so let's break it down and I'll show how I created the vomit pillow. This is the vomit pillow. It doesn't look like much, but once you flip it over and see how the inside looks, this is what makes the whole construction of it. Let's take it apart here. So you can see the pieces. Oh, needed more gaffer's tape. Gotta love the gaffer's tape. And inside is the part that pretty much is the piece of, the major piece of the pillow. And we'll come back to this. I'm gonna come back to it. So looking in here, I'm going to turn it so you can get an inside view. It doesn't look like much. It's a cavern in here. It has fun foam in here and on the other side, and they go back and forth to give structure to it. And on the edges is good old foam. And then this board piece is actually a V. I have fun foam over this just to try to give some structure to it. And the whole thing is the actress will press down from the front. We'll press down here, and this V then presses against her chest, and it presses and makes the compression so the liquids can come out. Now, what the liquids are put into is IV bags, but not IV bags that you use in a hospital. These are actually food-grade drinking IV bags. You put your drink in through here, fill them up, and then clip them off. So these are IV clips, really simple to use. And those are the key parts of this. And also you fill this up, these hook in here. So when you re-put this together, you have the sheet or the cover that's put on over that hides this. I'll turn this way. And then you open it up, you slide it in, and then I've just done some simple hooks that hook onto these two pieces here. And here it is, the star of the vomit bag, cream of wheat. That's what it is. It's cream of wheat and water, but there's two catches. First, you do need to cook it. Otherwise, it won't combine with the water. Now, after you cook it, you then have to do one more step. Otherwise, if you let it set for a couple of days, it will separate. And that is blending. You take a blender to it and put as much water as you can to make it almost a milk consistency. And there you have it. That's what you put into the bags. All right, demonstration time. I have filled it up, maybe not all the way, but I have filled up the two bags. The distraction is a hand getting sick. And then you press up above, not below, but up above. And so what's interesting about this is when you press, it can go, if you press just a little bit or a lot, it can be really messy. The actress is going to have fun with this one. Wah! And there you have it. There's the vomit pillow. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of theater magic. Until next time.